Setting up user accounts and passwords. If more than one person works on your computer, you might want to set up several user accounts. Each user account can have unique settings and store different documents. You can also password protect these accounts and assign a user photo so that each user has a private computing experience. You can set up a user account by using a Windows Live account. You have one. If you have a Live Hotmail or MSN email account, or you can create one when you create a new user. Remember that these user accounts could be a local account or it could be an account using your Livemail, Hotmail, or MSN. Now, when you set up your computer for the first time, you create your own user account and you are set up as the account administrator, meaning that you have the ability to make and change any settings. Any user accounts you set up subsequently are set up by default as standard users, meaning that they can't they can make changes to more sensitive settings dealing with features such as security and privacy. So just by saying that, let's go ahead and in this computer I only have one account, which is mine, and I'm assigned as the administrator. This is my account. When I click into that, see, I could apply different changes or sign up from my computer. But right now, I'm gonna need to create another account. Okay? To create another account, we are gonna open the charts, and then we're gonna go down to settings. Under settings, we are gonna click on change PC settings. Now, the privacy section, that was the last section that I visited. Now from here, see, we're gonna go down, I'm gonna go up to users. When I click on users, on the right hand side, see, that's my account. And I'm using my account with a Windows Live email. Now, I could also switch to a local account, which we saw on another video. But right now, I wanna assign, I wanna create another user. Okay, for my account, see, I could change my password, I could create a picture password, I could also create a pin, which we are gonna see in another video. Now, right now, I'm just gonna go down to other users. There are no other users on this PC. I'm just gonna click on add, and this window is gonna open. Now, from here, see, it's asking for my email. If I have a Windows Live Mail, I could use that email, but I don't have one in this case. Okay, now let's say that I'm gonna use this account for my children. Okay, so I'm gonna rename this account and I'm just gonna give it this name. Okay, I'm just gonna type in Eric. Now I'm just gonna go down and click on next. Now when I click on next, see, it's asking me for to enter a valid email address. Okay, now at the bottom, see, I have the privacy settings, sign up for a new email, or sign in without a Microsoft account. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna click on that, and then on this window, I have two options, actually three options: Microsoft account, local account, cancel. If I create a Microsoft account, see, using my Windows Live Mail, everything is gonna be connected. See, my SkyDrive, my Messenger, my calendar, etc. But in this example, we're just gonna go ahead and create a local account for my kid. That's one example. See? Okay, so I'm gonna type in the name. It's just gonna be Eric. It's gonna ask for a password. I'm just gonna use 123 for password. 123. When you guys create a password, use something larger, and of course, don't include it on the password hint. This is just for purposes of creating this video. Now, the next steps, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on next. Now your password here cannot contain your password. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use something else. Okay, I'm just gonna type in ABC, the hint, and click on next. So here's a new user. Okay, now right here it's asking, is this child's account? Turn on family safety to get reports of their PC use. Okay, for now I'm just gonna leave it like that because we're gonna turn the family safety in another tutorial. So from here I'm just gonna go ahead and click on finish. Once I click on finish, here's the other account. Okay, now there's no picture. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I have a new user account. Now I'm gonna click on the Windows logo. And when I come back up here, see, I have the ability to sign out and then allow my kid to use the computer. Okay, so from there I could switch into the other account. Okay, and that's creating another account. Okay, so the steps were, I'm going to open the charms, settings, change PC settings, user accounts, and then here I add a new account. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and close that window. I'm just gonna drag it down and close those the PC settings. And that's how we create a new user account.